Daniel Boone wasn't just a frontier legend. In the Revolution, his courage and wilderness skill helped defend America's western frontier. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn the exciting true history in the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. Daniel Boone was born in 1734 on the Pennsylvania frontier. From childhood, he learned to hunt, track, and survive far beyond the edge of settlement. As a young man, Boone pushed west through the Appalachian Mountains, drawn by land, freedom, and opportunity few dared to seek. Boone carved the wilderness road into Kentucky, opening the frontier to settlers while clashing with native nations defending their homelands. When the Revolution began, the frontier became a battleground. Boone served as a militia officer, defending isolated settlements from British Allied raids. In 1778, Boone was captured by Shawnee forces. He survived captivity, escaped, and returned in time to help defend Boonesboro. After the war, Boone struggled with debts and land claims. As settlement caught up with him, he kept moving, always chasing the next frontier. In his later years, Boone moved west into Spanish Missouri, where he found temporary peace far from courts, titles, and crowded towns. Daniel Boone died in 1820, but his legend lived on. He became the symbol of America's restless drive westward, beyond maps and limits.